Hey everybody, welcome to Country Girl with Kathy Jarvis. And today I'm going to talk about how I keep track of what I've got planted in the greenhouse. Now I am one that takes all kinds of notes. I have notes on notebooks, I have notes on the phone, and I still get out to the greenhouse and I go, what's planted there? I've even got the little row markers, but they don't always hold up. A lot of times you'll write what you want on there and it fades out or it gets wet and it's gone. So I've come up with another solution. I had a sketch out there on paper that told me where everything was at, which works out really well. It's a lot better than bending over and picking up. But I go through a lot of paper that way. I mean, every time you plant something new, you either erase it, and if it's wet, you can't erase it, so you have to make a whole new chart. So this year I'm doing both. I've got the little chart out there and I'm trying this method. This is simply a whiteboard with a dry eraser pen, and I've did a rough drawing of the beds and I put it down north, east, south, and west so I know which direction it is. And each one of these squares is a 4x4 foot bed, and I put on here what I got planted in them, how many days it takes to mature, and the day I should start looking to see if they're ready to harvest. Now this should work out fairly well. I've put water on this before and they don't smear, they stay the way. So as long as I don't hit it with direct water and get the board soaked, it should be okay out there. And what I like about it is that I can easily just swipe off when something's done and write in the new crop and when it should be ready. So hopefully this will be easier than bending over and picking up those little tags just to see what I've got planted there. And most times, once they emerge, you can pretty much tell by the leaves as you get experience. But it's at the beginning, when you're first waiting for them to come up, that you're wondering, did I really plant something there or not? And what did I plant? And when should it be up? So, these harvest dates are approximate. You know, everything doesn't always germinate as quickly as they say. So these are the days that you should start looking for your plants to be able to be harvested. Okay, there's my original plan. You can see that's gotten wet, wrinkly, hard to read. When you're using this, make sure you use a dry eraser marker. Do not use a permanent marker on these whiteboards, as they will be permanent, and you don't want that. Things are coming along really nicely. The peas, the turnips, the Swiss chard, the carrots are up. Don't see, just a few of the onions, not many. These peas are up. And here's the whiteboard out here. Lettuces are coming up. Don't see the broccoli rabe yet, but it was planted about a week later. We got price head, red velvet, and black leaf Simpson. The Bibb lettuce was planted before and it's ready to be harvested, as the spinach. This Swiss chard is ready to harvest. These are supposed to be turnips that I've let go to seed. Yes. So we'll take care of those. I have parsnips here, Swiss chard here, kale. It looks like a few beets got into the way. These are beets, and this is my radishes. So everything's growing out here. It's taken a lot of water. One thing I have learned is when we made these beds, we put in raised bed soil. that we bought. That's good, no problems with that, but it's hard to keep it moist. It'll look moist on the top and the bottom will be dry as a bone. So what I did with the small greenhouse, what I've done with the small greenhouse on this bed, I used half and half. I used half raised bed soil and half in-ground soil. And I mixed them, layered them, and then I will top this off with compost once I get it planted. And this is going to be for herbs. And as you notice, I got the pavers in. So did really fine, except here at the very edge. It's not quite enough room for the pavers with the anchors. So I'm either going to have to put a planter in here, which would be nice, or cut down some pavers to size. And it looks like I have a whole house full of guests here. Compost is doing wonderful. I can actually feel the heat rising off of it even more so. I found an easier way to turn it. Before I was just struggling to turn it. Okay, I found a better way to turn this thing. You reach down here and you just give it a twirl and it goes. I can't do it with one hand and hold the phone at the same time because I gotta get too close to it and can't show you, but that's the easiest way to turn it. Okay, I hope you learned something from this video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and dream big, follow that dream, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.